Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will read Locating Places and Road Safety. We have learned that the area which surrounds our house is known as our neighborhood. Our neighborhood starts once we step out of our home. There are many places in our neighborhood, such as the market, the post office, the police station, the bank, etc. Look at this drawing of Ali's neighborhood. Help him find the way from his house to the market, then to the post office, and then back home. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place such as neighborhood. It uses signs and symbols instead of pictures in order to save space and show details. It does not have exact measurements between places as it is a rough drawing. Sketch is a map is a drawing of an area on a flat surface such as paper. Maps are drawn with the exact measurements for a part or whole of the earth. A map that shows the layout of a smaller area, such as a room or a house, is called a plan. Before building a house, the plan of a house has to be prepared. Symbols and colors. We use different symbols and colors to show different features such as boundaries between countries, roads, railway lines, trees, cities, etc. on a map. To understand these colors and symbols, we read the legend of the map. All maps use certain colors. For instance, blue is used to show water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and seas. Green shows forests and trees, and brown shows mountains. Different symbols represent different features. Directions. The four main directions are north, south, east, and west. By knowing these directions, we can easily read any map. It shows places situated in different directions. In all maps, the north direction is at the top. The south is at the bottom. The east is towards the right and west is towards the left. How a map is drawn. To draw a map, we start from a center point. We then go left, right, up and down, drawing landmarks on each side using symbols. In the space here, draw a map of your classroom. Draw the teacher's desk first, then draw the desks, chairs, windows, doors, and blackboard. Use the symbols given in the legend. Maps are very useful to us. Pilots and sailors also find maps very useful. If we learn how to read a map, we will never lose our way. How to stay safe on roads. Apart from following safety rules, we can also stay safe by learning to recognize some signs and symbols that we see on these roads. Look at the signs given here and read their meanings. Apart from this, always remember to look at the traffic lights while crossing the road. Walk on the footpath, not on the road. Look carefully on all sides before crossing the road. These simple rules will keep you safe and prevent accidents. Understood? Next. Understood? For this, we finished our reading, locating places and road safety. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.